Yo, are we live?
We are live.
Awesome. Welcome everybody. Episode 11 in the books. We're gonna do it today. We got some crypto news, or no news today. We're gonna do TA. I want to check out the website, give a little update on it if you guys haven't seen it. So props to the team for that. And we're gonna talk a little bit about some campaigns that have completed, and also follow up on Spot the Money because Crypto Buddy gave a little teaser last week, and I heard today we can talk more about it.
Yeah, man. So we'll run through that in a bit. But do you want to start with the TNA?
What do you think? Do you want to do TA or you want to announce the winner for the competition?
Nah, we'll leave that till the end.
Leave it to the end. All right, let's do it. Hey, I tried, guys. All right, yeah, let's do it into the market. So I actually have not even looked into what's going on. My sister was doing more of the celebrations for the wedding. So this week we were just setting up the venue, and now it's all out the way. So I haven't even been trading it. Don't know what the price is at until right now. Let's see. You been keeping up with the price of everything?
I've just been enjoying the bank holiday, to be honest. So I haven't done
nothing.
Much.
That's good. You doing any partying? Any fun stuff?
No, I cooked lunch.
Hey, that's good though. I cooked yesterday. It was some steak. Felt good. All right.
Nice.
This is looking. It's looking kind of ugly, but it's also looking like it wants to reverse a little bit. Let's see. Let's go high time frames. What did we say it was going to hit last week? It needed to decide, right?
We said. Didn't we say 27? We said.
I think you said that was a possibility.
We said 25,800, I think.
Oh, you know what? This is where we left off. Yeah. So now I remember we were in a point where Bitcoin needed to decide if it wanted to retest the bottom levels or if it wanted to reverse. So it did reverse. Right now, it's kind of looking like a cup and handle, but I guess it got rejected. There's the cup. So I guess that weekend it broke out. Went all the way up to, what did it go up to? 30K. Wow. So from 27 to 30K, I bet you that made people FOMO a lot. And then, of course, Bitcoin does what it does. And, actually, I think that day there was news that the government and the people from Mt. Gox were sold a little bit. And I think that's what made the price actually go down. What did it go down to? 27,240. So, wow, that's funny. It went back down to retest the level that it was previously trading sideways in. So let me see, right here. Let's draw a line. Let's say that was a sideways channel and it bounced right up. That is a little bit higher. It did get rejected though. So I'm gonna extend this all the way. I want to see it. This would be the bounce point. And this is showing bounce point potential with the wave being at the bottom and starting to curve in. So this is looking good. I might start looking to trade this actually. I'm going to break it down. So we have plenty of time, no rush to get into a position because it doesn't know if it wants to make up his mind. I'm going to the 2 hourly. Yeah, I would wait. See the money flow? Money's exiting the market. And if the red opens up, then expect us to go back to the levels 27. Is that 27? Oh, wow, 27K. We could possibly try to retest the 27K area, and there's this thing where if it touches 27K, it's gonna drop down a little bit before it bounces. So hopefully it will find a bounce right here, which then would create a lower high, and that would help us. So let's see what it's gonna do. What's today? Today's Monday, start of the week. It's got plenty of time to make the moves. I know there's a lot of banking failures in the US. I don't know if you saw which bank was it? It's federal something, but they're filing for bankruptcy, and then JP Morgan bought them out.
Oh wow,
Did you
no, I didn't
did
see
you hear
that.
about that? Yeah, so
No.
uh, it was the second largest bank failure in U.S. history. The last time we had that was in 2008. So for me, when I hear that, it's like it screams opportunities because it makes the markets panic, but it's the best time to be buying, especially when I hear that was the second biggest bank failure and during a bear market. So we're already taking a beating at it as is. And luckily, we're taking it now versus when we rally, we won't have any FUD like that can affect the trend. So this is good for now. Let those banks exit. It's no surprise to me. I mean, look what happened with FTX and all those guys. They practiced the bank things and they just imploded a little bit quicker. That's what blockchain is. All right, so reversal's looking good. I mean, it did get rejected here. So again, I'll just wait it out. No rush to trade this. To me, it is looking like it wants to bottom out. But let's see, we have about 5 hours until the daily closes for Bitcoin. 45 minutes already showing some signs. Yeah, I'd wait it out. We still got plenty of time. The market closes at 4:30, so we're gonna probably see some kind of FOMO rally around 3:30, maybe even 2 here, and then we'll see if it wants to go back up to these 28,600. And if it goes up there, might as well try to test that 28,900. But this is good support, especially when you cross. What do you think?
Yeah, man. Yeah, no, I think that is good sport. Like on the week, was it on the weekend or was it? Might have been like Wednesday. Didn't it hit 30K again and then dump back down?
Yeah, that was
Really
right
quick.
before the banks. Like I think it
Yeah.
was. Yeah, you're right. Wednesday.
So yeah, that I was looking at the charts then and I was thinking, wow, what is going on? And I was
Yeah,
hoping
that
you
is
was trading.
crazy. I should have been. I wish. I just that weekend was so busy for me, and even I actually don't like shorting it, but man, look at this. Like it popped the short right here, and it's a double short. Like this rally shouldn't really have happened. It came out of nowhere. It told you to short at 29,788, and look where it dropped to 27,200. And then let's say you caught that long, that was strong because if you were able to catch the bottom, so it's on this candle, it already was too late. You had to have like try to get the reversal, and from 27 all the way up back to like 30K. Like it recovered the dump, and that dump, like I said, it was from the big banks, like and from the Mount Gox hack, like they were able to sell. And I think there's another batch. I need to figure out the date, so we got to watch out for that. That could be a good short opportunity. And it recovered. It's almost like Bitcoin did, like it was trading where it wanted to be, and it needs to make up its mind on 30K, and it's not ready. That's a failed attempt. That's a failed attempt. Another failed attempt. But a lot of support. A lot of support. What's your indicator showing you? Because I know you have a little bit different ones than the ones I work with.
So pretty much we're just sitting in the middle of my indicators. Like it's not really showing much more. No, I'm kind of getting like all sales signs really. So,
the sales sign, yeah, we'll see. Last time you called this, it was like you said it could go down to 28. We hit the 28, it reversed.
well,
This could still get ugly though, because this when it printed this higher, like this wasn't a higher high. It's still technically a lower high on this
yeah,
when you zoom out, and that's still important. Like to look at it, it needs to break this trend, but it's trying. Like as long if it starts to reverse it's good. If it doesn't, then it's still in that trend, and the trend is your friend until the end. That's what they say.
yeah. Well, no, it's still in that channel that we were talking about, though, wasn't it?
Yeah, it really is. And no, actually, it's a little bit above it still. It's found support above it because this is the channel we're at right here, and from the 27 to the 27,900 area, and then it broke out. It got rejected hard. I feel bad for anyone who was long in this. And one thing I'll tell you as a like trader, what I've noticed, if you see this breakout pattern, it most of the times it doesn't break out a third time. Like get out by like it does the breakout, it prints the flag, so then you take the measurement of that and you put it at the end, and that's your target. After that, I wouldn't do a continuation. And if you are, keep it tight because after this is another pull, or this one after printed that, that's another pull. It was trading sideways, and then you knew where it had to like go. And once it broke that, you knew trend is down. Once it no longer like met the requirements, like it broke out of this, and that's the easy targets. You do the same exact thing because if it fails, you would have taken that measurement, put at the end, target hit. So if you know how to trade patterns and look out for them, that's like the key thing. And that's one of the key things I like to tell people is make it simple. Look for these patterns, and that way you're not guessing. You have some idea because there's like a probability and there's like numbers to all this stuff to like the winning chances. And that's why I like the bull one, the bull pennant.
Yeah. See, on my chart, we are trading on the top side of the uptrend. So
we go lower
to
time
me,
frame.
Yeah, I still think I'm on the daily chart, so I still think there's room for us to go down to like the 25.
Oh yeah, the daily looks like let me. It's funny. I have something right here already printed. So kind of did that, right? It did that. And yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna keep it there because you're right. The VWAMP's already going down. The daily, if it doesn't print like a good high today and make the VWAMP reverse and do a bounce, then it's gonna print a red one.
Mm-hmm.
The good thing the money flow is still high up, so it's a healthy correction. And if it prints another valley higher up here, that's just signaling a bigger buy. And if we can get something like where the money flow isn't as high as like this, and this is the start of it, then you know there's more explosive moves to the upside coming.
Yep. And then I'll go.
Daily's important today.
So
It's the weekly on this. Yeah, weekly hit the red. No surprise. Weeklies. You know what's crazy is the weekly's still in the red. We see this money flow. It's wanting to curve to the green, so that's also very healthy because you see the higher time frames when it moves up, like the price goes crazy. So that's kind of, for me, that's kind of bullish to see that we're moving this at these prices while we're in red and the money flow on the weekly. And on the monthly, wow, that was a solid monthly buy. Hold on, I want to see where it printed that. Yeah, boom. Wow, so it's not done yet. This is a fresh month? Yeah, so we have to keep an eye on this actually. This could keep extending. This could be, yeah, I'm excited actually now to see what this month is going to do for us. Because it can bring us either right back into the 30s or it gets rejected and oh no, we're not going back to the 15s. No, there's nowhere. Yeah, no, this is good because since it printed that green, it still hasn't printed the red side. That's what we have to worry for because it printed the green and it's at the valley. The VWAMP isn't curving down yet, so it's a strong monthly. As long as we hold 20, let's say 26K. As long as we hold 26K for the month, we're still solid. But if we start seeing that, then yeah, no, that's not good.
No.
Yeah, that's cool. Been good. We'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see.
You've been right most of the times.
It's these indicators. I get lucky. Once I had these, I was like, all right, now I just have to learn what these fundamentals are. And it was like reverse learning. All right, let's see. What do you want to look at next? You want BNB, ETH? We got Matic.
Go ETH. Let's go ETH.
Oh, ETH. My favorite. Yeah. My favorite.
Very similar.
Oh, yeah. Very similar picture. It hasn't printed the second green. So ETH hasn't done its second. Let me go higher time frame. Yeah, 2 hour. It's wanting to reverse. The red flag for me right now is just the money flow. The money flow coming in while this trend is looking like it. So these levels, today's going to be important. Like it really needs to support, like hold it, bounce up, especially for ETH. It's already trading back into the channel. versus Bitcoin, it tapped it and went up. ETH is going right back into the channel that was trading at previously since April, the 21st of April. So we've basically lost that month, and no coincidence that was the month of the upgrade. You know, pump and dumps, what they do on the charts, but you can make money. Yeah, no, it's looking. This is a good level though. It basically now we're gonna have to decide if we want to stay in this trend for a little bit longer before we break out, or just do another attempt for ETH. ETH, the 2K level is very important for it. That's where it needs to break out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been nothing but downtrend. The same story. If you look at the bigger picture, that previous pump just still created a lower high on the chart. So there could be a huge, like a macro trend right here. I don't want to do another line because there's so many. But from this line to here, and then from here to here, there's a macro play there. And that just takes time to develop versus the micro ones, the smaller one. Give it a couple days, give it a week, like throughout the week, and you can scalp it. So we still have about, let me look. So 3 hours looking good for reversal. The lower time frame is trying to reverse actually. So we might see a pump for the 2 p.m., 3 p.m. and that'll be nice.
What, to about, my indicator's the same, to about 2080?
For what? Where it wants to
Where it wants
peak
to hit.
way up here again ish. Yeah, up here. That'd be a huge reversal. Let's see. But it's definitely possible with ETH. The more it goes, the way it works. Especially, I don't know if you've seen, man, there's a lot of meme tokens on ETH again, and people do not care about the fees. They're buying it up in large amounts. And one thing that, like, the bigger picture for ETH, and this is what I love about ETH, is when people build on top of it, it's just helping burn the Ethereum that's out there, and the supply is getting shorter, and your ETH in the longer spec is going to be worth more money. So it's the irony that these meme tokens are the ones that are burning Ethereum up, like but that's okay. You know, there's to each their own in this market. That's what I love about blockchain. If you guys want to do some meme stuff and don't care, want to throw money at like the wall and see if it sticks, that's on you. If you want to find coins with utility, there you go. If you want, there's the new Chat GPT like trend, like all that AI stuff. Boom, you could play those. Like there's so many plays out here, and there's so many things that you can learn. You can be a coder, like a web guy, a website designer, NFT designer. Like I love blockchain for those reasons. It literally can empower you to make so much money. You just have to know the right people and learn the tech.
Yeah, man.
It's the tech. I told you.
Tech.
All right. So let me look at the higher time frames. See what the daily's saying. Yeah, that was yesterday's daily though. Look at that. It got rejected. ETH isn't looking as pretty as Bitcoin. In my opinion, I think it might try to go a little bit lower because right now the daily, and there's 6 hours left, it's basically in the down. We'll see, but it did bounce off of the 18,000 or 1800 level is what I would say. But we'll see. Money flow is curving down. It's not in the red completely yet. We could still see something like this, which would be really good. Like this, and then it would reverse. Hold on. And then if it bounces up here, it'll just retest. And the retest is right back into the 1900. But yeah, 1940 is like, if ETH can pass that, it's reverse. But if it can't pass that, then you know we're not going higher. But the lowest peak it should go is 1780.
Ooh,
yeah. Those are the bear scenarios.
Mine's saying 1690.
1690. That's 1690. Okay, that's not too bad. That's the next like lowest because it would break through this line of support, which is 1760, And then after that one, it would definitely be in the 1680, the 90 area you're talking about.
Yeah, so I got, what was it? Mine saying, yeah, so 1720 and yeah, 1690.
Let's zoom out real quick, or not zoom out. I'm trying to see what the bands are looking like.
I don't even want to read out the next ones because they are ridiculously low.
For ETH?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're like 13.
Yeah. My next one after that is 1520. And and then
no, there's plenty of level of support before then.
1170.
Yeah, there's plenty of level of support before then. So we're gonna follow it. We're gonna follow it today. I'm in no rush to trade as much as I want to take some longs here. Not until I see some better candles show up. Maybe I'm not gonna be trading ETH. Last couple weeks ago, I was trading ETH and we were killing it for the ST6 people. And if you're on the private Discord as well, I posted those plays and ETH was an easy play. But man, this is still looking good. I like this. I like this dump. It restarted the chart. You're back to lower levels on the RSI. And then let's see. I'm hearing some static. Is that my mic or yours? Oh, that's your mic, buddy.
What's happening?
Your mic is like buzzing. What's up, Diggs?
Is it? What's that?
Oh, it just went away. It says we want your trades again, Dab. Yo, no, and I love trading. I want to trade again, but patience is key with this market, and that's one thing I love about it is it's open 24/7. It's one, the plays are never. It's never too late, and you just got to be patient. Patient comes, we pop off, and we get those trades in. I can't wait. I can't wait for a good opportunity, and I'm waiting. This week could be it. I'm glad I didn't do my cat. Like normally I'll do the Sunday to Monday night scout for position, but I was really exhausted last night and I passed out before like 11 p.m. And I was like, yeah, so I'm going to wait it out and it's good this week. If not this week, next week, we should have a good position so we can see if the bottom is in for the week.
Yeah. How are your NFTs doing? Like what percentage ROI?
I think we could check it out, but a little glance at the new website. I love it. And we'll go more on it because I want to give props to that. That looks really cool. I know Kaz and who worked on the website. Do we have like a guy or did we just go out and hire someone?
I think you got the design. I think you might have paid someone.
Oh, that's right. This is private, so you can't open it. But if we look, it's at 112%. So batch one completely sold out. Believe there's about 25 or 30 of the new batch that have sold out. So there's still plenty. I'm working on ways to advertise it. I'm gonna add incentives. Like there's a lot of things I have in store for this NFT because for me, it's like about passive income and making money while we sleep. And if I can introduce different streams of income to these NFTs, then there's more incentive and more power to them. And slowly but surely, we're gonna build it up. So they're doing good. We're doing good. Let's go back. So, oh yeah, also, I did mention it was private. So for anybody who isn't whitelisted, DM me, Dabs Galore on Telegram. You can find me on the Sidekick channel. And I will whitelist you. Batch number 2 is community based, as in batch number 1 was like family and friends, like very, very close friends. All right, so I think that's what we're doing on ETH. I think we're playing the patience game today, seeing how low it wants to go and where it wants to bottom out. I know I said I wasn't going to take a trade on ETH, but I might take this trade and catch the reversal. Maybe close at like 19,000 or not 19,000, 1900 area, like when it retests. All right, so we did BTC. What do you think, Matic or BNB?
Let's go BNB.
BNB. You think it's painting the same picture?
No.
No. All right, let's see.
Nah,
Ooh, it's
BNB has been
not.
winding up. It's been winding up really tight.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. Get away. Yeah, that is really nice. So it had a nice pop off the bottom right here of this trend. I could move it a little bit if I wanted to be more precise, like right here. Boom, corresponds with this. So it's good still. It's still trending up. Got rejected like all of them. The one thing I don't like right now is seeing this. It's a lower high on this as well. So as long as it reverses, so here is its next support where you could try to reach it. What is that? 327. And we're at 3. What are we at right now? 330-ish. Yeah. Work. Oh, yep, of course. Cause works everywhere. Like, man, I couldn't imagine how he was doing it without the team before. Because he was. My boy was always working. And he's still always working. All right, let's see. So we got, yeah, so Binance, I'm going to go into the higher time frame. Let's see what the daily says. Oh, wow, the daily printed a green. You're right. BNB's looking good. It's looking healthy. Yeah, and it bounced up. Hasn't technically had that lower low. And the next point it has to break and reach is 350. And that's going to be the important key. If it passes that, it's going to try to continue its rally. Wow, like it went up here 3. Wow, it almost went to 400. Was that Wednesday? No, that was in November. Okay, that's crazy. I was like, what? But yeah, even on the higher time frame, that's looking good. Then see what the monthly. Oh yeah, look, it did a bunch of like that was a misfire, but it just printed the next green one, and it's like deep off VWAMP. 390. Yeah, that's looking healthy. I'm gonna go into.
We say it all the time. It's gonna help Sidekick.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a good chain. Fees are still low. People are still building. And on the 30-minute, like we'll see. This could technically be a small scalp trade. You just get in, get out. So could take today. Honestly, we'll see. There's 24 minutes into this next. Going to the 45-minute. Yeah, you know, the one similar trend I am seeing across all chains is that it's looking very bottomish for the week, maybe, or it's wants to decide right now if it wants to break lower or if it's not. The candles are getting smaller, and that's a good sign. Basically what we need is for the wick to start, not the wick to get larger, but the body to lose its momentum and the wick look bigger. That way, it's even showing another sign of reversal. So far, it is.
Yep. So what? Let me see what mine is saying. BNB. Right, on the, let's go daily. Oh man.
What else we got? We got Khalil in the house. NDR. Yeah, I wish I could see who was in here. Maybe I can. I just don't know where to look. I just see for the people that are in the chat, like chatting it up.
Okay, my trading views decided to stop.
It'd be like that sometimes. Go on the minute. Yeah, the minute's in the red. So as soon as we start seeing some green, like you could start seeing a movement up, yeah. But it's still in the red for now. This is the minute, so it goes crazier, but it's still, you can still catch the green. But this is all short term for now. Like this is like what I look at when I'm trading. Because long term picture right now, like I said, it's got to decide what low it wants to play for the week and how hard it wants to bounce. I think there's a Fed report actually today. Hold up. That could show us.
Yeah, I'm getting, mine's indicating 380.
380? Yeah, 380 is good. That's where it was showing up here too.
Yeah,
that's a huge swing though. Oh, wait,
yeah, it could do that move though to hit the high before,
yeah,
which was 400, which we was on about.
Yeah, it's still close. Like, this is good. This could be the
Go
cup
down
and
to
handle. Like, boom, cup, and it's still in the handle.
Yeah, that's one big cup and handle.
Yeah, that's what we said about the bottom of Bitcoin, though. Remember, I was like, this. I was like, it's a little weird with this bump in the middle, but
Yeah, and then but I was joking when I first said that. I was kind of like, it kind of looks like it.
it's like, oh yeah, Dap saw it too. Let's see if we have it printed.
Turned out to be.
Yeah, right here. Oh, no, wait, no, that's the other. No, hold on.
No, we'll go way back. I just ran when it was
yeah,
15,
this
wasn't
is
it?
30. So let me go.
There you go. Right there.
This one right here. Yep, that was it. Wonky. I was like, But boom, there's the ugly handle and the ugly cup. Boy, it took off.
Big handle.
It's more like a soup bowl. All right.
What soup bowls do you have?
You should see the one my mom gifted me. This thing is massive, and then you can put like a top on it so it can like be portable too. Like, okay. Fed speaker. Let's see if they're speaking today. Then there might be some big moves, and usually they speak at 3.
So what about? Is that about now for you?
No, that's about an hour.
Yeah, BNB looks pretty good actually.
See, I'm looking. The only thing that doesn't look good is the daily, but it still can reverse. You see right here on the curve, it hasn't printed the red dot. The VWAP is curving down, but there is a wick, so that's good. But that's the one thing I just don't like seeing on the daily.
Yeah.
That's all right. So we'll see. We got 5 hours and 50 minutes until the daily ends. Plenty of time.
All right.
Let's do it.
We're going over to Matic
Let's
now.
do it. The Matic, the sneaker play. Because I swear people are building on Matic, and it's big projects, and they don't even really do much announcements. They just announce it to the right people, and it moves.
You know what? I think Matic's dumped the hardest out of all of them, innit? 96 cent.
Yeah, but I see a nice little double bottom possibly right here. It is wanting to decide again. This is it. It needs to hold this support, this 95 cents. If it doesn't, we can start trading right back into the. It's crazy. The price. It's like not much of a difference really. The 94. Between 94 to 77 is the real support for this. But right now, as long as it does good and it doesn't drop too hard today and this week, it still prints a higher, like it's still higher on the macro. And then it'll bounce.
Yeah.
And
I've just got buy signals all over mine at the moment.
the good thing about it is it's at the bottom of this. It's the only one on the daily I've seen that is not up here. It did misfire once, but it's better to misfire up down here than up there. 4 hour. Oh, 4 hours good. It's looking like the money flow is starting to curve in. You have an hour and 50 minutes until that. If that prints a green, that could move some kind of movement. It really just needs to get back to $1. It has to break $1 before it attempts to higher. But I think Matic's going to be good for the people who understand what is being built on the Matic chain. Like, people are sleeping on it, but that doesn't stop them. That's why the price is moving the way it moves. I always try to add a little bit of Matic when I can.
Yeah, I'm loaded up on Matic.
I wish it was back to 50 cents. I wanted a bag there, but $1, you get what, 4 cents on the dollar right now. Nice little discount. And I think that's it. I think that's it for the TA. I think today, so in 5 hours, we'll really see if it's going to reverse by then. Hopefully the pump that should come in about an hour and a half, I guess it's looking like, is strong enough to do a reversal. But we'll see.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just buy signals all over at the moment for me. On these.
Just for all of them, or for Matic?
Matic, I've just looked at XRP as well. That's the same thing.
All right.
Matic,
I'll give
BNB.
this a glimpse. I don't want to look at it too hard.
Nah.
XRP. Yeah, it's doing the same thing across chains. Today's going to decide if it wants to continue up. XRP is looking strong in the sense that it didn't drop to the 44 cents. 44 cents doesn't sound like a lot when you're seeing at 45, but there's a lot of zeros behind that. And that's the thing that I like about crypto. You get to break it up. So these moves are still big move percentage wise.
It did drop down to 43 though.
Yeah, like right here. It wicked up. It wicked up strong. Bounced. But as long as this today doesn't reverse, then you should be good. But then if not, it's going to go back to that 43 cents, and it could go even lower, back into 39 cents.
Oh,
yeah. See, this is the play I was telling you. See, every time it does that pump, it usually does a continuation. So this is what you could do when you have a long in and you see this form. You can either close your long and take a new long and close that, or leave your trade open and try to get that 100% or even higher. Because you can get a move with it. Like this is a 100% move, I'm sure. But you got to have patience and control your emotions. Because sometimes you see it up here and it starts to dump for like a minute or two, and even if you sell, it's a profit. Profit is profit, but then you miss out right after. So keep those emotions out of this trading stuff. Do you want to look at Doge, or are we gonna say nah? If we're gonna look,
I hate it.
I'm gonna do so. I want to see what the top meme coins are right now, like by volume, I guess.
It's got to be Dutch.
Dude, there's one that I've been seeing creep up. I'm not gonna give too much. You probably heard about it, actually. Let's see. If it's on the chart, I'll talk about it. Let's see. Where is this by volume? Do you know how to do it by volume? Yeah, that's it. That's the one.
That's the one. I was thinking the same one.
Dude, I've seen it creep up, man. I might have to buy just a bag, even if it's like.
Wait. And what is it? Exxon as well? XEN?
Yeah, some dog one.
Everywhere.
I've seen that one too. I saw one today called Pizza or something like that. Pizza, from this YouTuber I follow, and he's like, I just put 19K in for fun. I got another 5K. I'm about to load in later, and it was up like 600%. So the top movers for today, it's all kind of like the people or whatever. The Pepe. This one's Pepe. Okay, this one's Poo Poo.
We can't see a screen.
Yeah, because I didn't want to show this boo-boo stuff, but I guess since we're talking about meme coins.
Man, we've sunk into a new.
But look at that. That's a whole market cap of people who just want to get rich. That's for greed. Sad. But they're here. They're here to stay. Which one matters to them? Yep. Popo. I don't even know. Naruto. Man, people love Naruto. Top it is Doge though. They're the top. Shiba is next. One thing people just need to understand is the market caps. Like they need to be realistic with some of these. Like in order for you to get another 2x, 3x, like the market cap has to compete with some of these. Doge is still at 10 point. Floki. I think Floki came out of nowhere because a lot of these memes are starting to be traded on exchanges, but yeah. Whole market cap to it. So Doge is the one, yeah. I wonder if to the meme, if Doge is the Bitcoin, like where Doge goes, meme coins go.
Maybe we should keep an eye on it. Why
Yeah,
not?
that's funny. I might start doing some secret TA.
Oh man. All right, bro. All right. Well, let's. What we're gonna do now?
That's enough for the
Go through some of the
TA.
campaigns.
So no,
Grab
you
your-
want to do the giveaway at the very end, or go into the next stuff?
Yeah, let's go through it. Yeah, we'll go through it at the end. Go
So
through it
at the end, all right.
Go through it.
To the TA. All right. So wanted to highlight the website actually a little bit because I just noticed the
Yeah. Fresh new website.
Fresh new website. Here it is. Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
So we got the numbers. Everything's a revamp of the website. I like this look a lot better. We got the jump start. And it's also for people who are looking for help in business and some of the services. We got it right there. Yeah, let's click a little bit just so you guys can get a glimpse. Oh, I don't think they're up yet. So these aren't live yet. But these are the products. We got Jumpstart. Boom, go back. The headquarters.
Yeah, so I think headquarters and stuff like that, that's all going to get revamped in the coming months.
Yeah, this is going to look amazing with the revamps. We've slowly been like working on everything else. All right. So we got no fresh campaigns right now. I know there's a lot of people that we have meetings and setups, so we might start seeing some new ones. We have one that we talked about last week, which isn't a campaign, but we got more information on Spot the Money, on what it is. You know what is E&J here? Maybe we can get him in here if he wants to chat up a little bit.
Yeah, he's in here. Just getting. Yeah, enjoy if you're here. Just a comment.
Yeah, feel free. Hop on. We'll talk more about it. Boom. Let's go into Burn Swap. Burn Swap killed it. It already ended. Yeah, campaign ended. 53,244 backers. That's incredible. It's the most successful one we've seen in backers. And this is just a milestone. Like it's only going to be a matter of time before all the other campaigns have that. And those are some stats to be reckoned with. So Burn Swap, congratulations on that.
Well, they've still got half their tokens there.
Yeah,
NFTs.
Yep. So you still can get a chance, and they're still building more and more. So for the ones that missed out, you haven't yet. Just because the timer's over doesn't matter. So that's what's neat. There's still another 470 left. And do they have batching? Do you remember?
No, they did their token launch, didn't they? Which I think was 118,000 they raised just for their token.
Oof. Is it like live? Can we trade it? We can get it?
I don't think we can. I don't know if we can trade it yet.
All right, we're gonna get more info on that.
And then I think they're talking about stretching out to ETH as well.
Good cause. He loves Pepe. I knew it. You probably have a bag. All right. So yeah, we'll figure that out. See what I got going on. The other one we were talking about. Where you at?
Hot games.
Where you at, bot?
Probably the ones that are loading that.
That means. All right, so we know this. I'm gonna guess. Ha. You know how I knew? Because mine was private, so if I clicked, it wasn't gonna work. Bot games, boom, 100%. See what I'm saying? 19 backers, and the other one had that much. So like, once we start getting more traction on these things, social hour really helps and get some eyes on it as well. We start getting it, and
but some of these guys, the other way to think about it is this has got 19 people, so they've got some serious backers that believe in this product.
Yeah, that's crazy. I think I was today where I realized they were over 100%.
Yeah,
19 backers.
Maybe you should join forces with them.
I was thinking about that. I need to talk to whoever owns the NFT campaign. I know I can just hit them up right here. There's this information. I still don't know if I bought the NFT yet. I need to buy one if not, because I'm interested to see how they got. And yeah, like you're saying, maybe we could work something out.
Well, I was looking at their Discord. I think they've started posting trades already. I'll have a quick look while you talk to the kids.
Yeah, let's do it. Someone's got to do it. All right, bot game. So yeah, get your NFT, guys. They're still not sold out. You still have a chance. If you are looking more into the trading stuff, this is the one right now. Also, batch number 2 for the ST6. That is private, so you need to DM me if you want to join or even view it. And I also need to add you to the whitelist spot for you to invest in it. Batch number 2 is for the public now. So all you got to do is message me.
Okay, they're doing their first payout in the next week.
Oh, that's exciting.
And let's have a look at some of their trades.
It's kind of fun though. We got some competition on the site, so we can see where we're both at ROI wise. Nice little friendly competition.
So I think bot games go for smaller trades.
Like percentage wise or just lot size wise?
Yeah, I think they go for smaller trades.
Oh, that's awesome.
So
yeah, we could work something out. 50. Let me see.
I don't work this out.
I can't wait for the next batches of NFTs to come out. Different campaigns. I don't think I have the admin rights yet on this wallet. Oh shoot. 1 second, drop my phone.
Oh wow. Their degen bot made 77.9% profit last month.
Oh, well, I wonder if it's like the overall, how much money overall, or just the trade. Does that make
I
sense?
think that's overall. Yeah, that's overall. That is, I think.
Ooh, that'd be crazy if their overall balance is 71, and because that means they'd be trading like with the whole lot versus the just portions of it.
So yeah, man.
Yeah, that's interesting. I love it. I'm gonna get in touch with the guys, see what they got going on. So that's the website. Check it out. The new update. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That goes right into what I want to talk to about next. So, Crypto Buddy, you actually know because you've been in some of the spaces how the team's been in different Twitter spaces, doing cross promotions, locking up some partnerships. And the one I'm most excited about is the PFP stuff we've been talking about.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because
which one?
yeah, we have the guys with this one. I can't wait for the DAO to create our own, but we have our own. I'm excited for that one too.
Yeah, I think we're coming out on that on June.
Is that the date?
Well, it's not an exact date. We have like a rough
sort of month. That's fun. It was
June, I think. We've got a few more things we need to organise for it. But yeah, we got some tasters back and they look good.
Is there any information we can give on that? Is Cuz here in the chat?
Ooh, I don't know.
No, not yet. Sorry, guys.
No, maybe soon.
Soon.
50 should be on ETH. Don't know. Yeah, we'll get some more this week. We'll get all the information together, I imagine. So we'll give some out next week.
There you go. We'll get more information out. We got fun stuff.
We have lots of plans.
No, that's what I like about it.
Gradually build over the next month or two.
Luckily, we got nothing but time, and our team is working hard.
It's also Sasha's third month working.
I know she's killing it.
Yeah,
she is killing it. Our structure has been awesome since we've added more people to the team.
So so that's right. Should we go to the Z?
Yeah, I think it's time for the competition.
You got the link there?
You can send it to me, or if you want, let me see.
Yeah, one thing I might send it to you because my computer's been a bit slow. I think my internet's been a bit weird.
I can see NJ's not here, so won't go too. I'll go a little bit over some of the spot the money, but I wanted to give a better explanation on it if I had him on here. see. The link I had brought me straight to the website, but it wasn't the one. Let's see what we got right here. Oh, so we have a screenshot. Oh, I think this is it. Boom.
So yeah, just click on leaderboard on the side.
Yeah, here it is. So everybody, here we got the. How are we gonna announce it? How many winners we got? Just one.
No, so it's the first 10. So the breakdown for this is, I will tell you.
Yeah, go ahead. Take the mic. You got it.
Take the mic. Right, cool. So breakdown for this is you've got first place, which is $200 in Sidekick. So I can't read his name there, but congratulations. And then yeah, we got second place, $100. Third place, $50. And then fourth to eighth gets $25. Ninth is $15, and 10th is $10.
Okay. Look, I got one question though. Princess Caddy, she's a killer shiller, but I don't think she's allowed to compete technically, or is she? Because then we could maybe extend that 10 to 11 to the number 11th.
Ooh, I don't know. I think you'll be, mate. I think she'll hate you.
I know. I'm sorry. All right. She's earned it, to be fair. All right, so yeah, we'll do that. Congratulations to everybody. You guys have 10 days, and you need to message Khalil from the Sidekick team. He's the one who's in charge of handing out all the prizes, and if you do not get a wallet addressed to him in 10 days, what do you think? We should have a new one, or just the prize just expires?
Just expires, I think. I'm gonna put his Telegram in the chat. So
you have exactly the information you need. Just make sure you message him. Don't message Dabs. Don't message Crypto Buddy. Definitely don't message Cause, because we got one person to handle it. And if he doesn't see it, then hey, he doesn't see it. We're not going to follow up.
So you got to message your wallet address to Halil. I've just posted it in there. I'm going to show it here. There you go. It's in the bottom left of the screen. And yeah, you got 10 days to message it to him, and then we'll pay out the prizes.
Thank you, everybody who participated, even for the ones who didn't win. Thank you for your time. Like, this is what we need to help push it to the people that don't know. Like, we were just talking about the meme thing, and that's the funny thing about it is, like, they're able to spread their word across even as a joke. So we have serious competition when it comes to that, but when we got utility behind it, it's going to speak for itself. So we appreciate all you guys that are helping. Even though we set up these quests, 64? How many quests were there?
We were adding as we went. So, you know, we were like, as we were tweeting and stuff like that, if we saw one that we really wanted to push, yeah, just go through them. Because like we were yeah, we're just adding to it. It's like we had the Medium posts going, we had follow the team on Twitter, you know, follow us on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, coming up with ideas, you know, getting in touch with devs.
I love it.
Yeah, so we are going to reset that leaderboard, and we'll probably get another competition going soon.
Do you think there's a way we can have a different type of leaderboard for like lifetime, so we can keep track of like who our top like competitors have been throughout the history of this competition stuff we do? Because I really like this dashboard.
Maybe.
Yeah, we'll look into it.
How many participants do we have? Let's have a quick look at
There's
that. Well, we had 132 people participate in that. So, yeah, thank you to everyone that got involved.
Even the ones with the one quest, a lot of one questers. Let's see where they're at.
There's quite a few one questers, I think.
Hey, at least they tried. That's okay. Next time you can do two quests, and guess what? You double your chances. Yeah. So that's one way to look at it. But these guys killed it. Good job, everyone. Remember, 10 days. Message Khalil. And you said you put the information already on where to DM him? Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, it's on the screen. It's on the screen. So they cannot miss it. And that's on Telegram. That's on Telegram. So,
well, I think that about covers everything I had. I tried to look for some crypto news, see if there was something that was going to help the consensus of the market decision, like if it was going to want at least a side. But there's not much. and there's not any
Um,
crypto news that I saw. What about you? You saw anything that was crypto,
let me have a
or
quick look. Let me have a quick little check.
maybe these smaller chains building something? Let me check some too.
Ooh, I might do something about this Chia blockchain.
Chia,
Mm.
what's that? Never heard of it.
Well, I bought some evergreen miners, which are coming in the next 2 weeks. So I might get them set up, see how they go, and then I might do a little something on it. But it looks good, blockchain.
Do all you guys have that? Are you getting that miner stuff?
Nah, mate, these are. Yeah, look, I'll show you.
Yeah, you want to share it on the screen, or you just want to show? Oh boy, crypto buddy out here mining. You know, I remember the.
This is literally. I don't even know if they're going to be good.
At least you're taking the risk. I remember.
This is a risk.
I think it was the year I quit my job. My boss, my store manager, she came up to me and and at this time I had been setting a down payment for my home because I actually traded my Bitcoin all the way up to put a down payment on a home and get it. And I was in the process of it, and she came up to me and she's like, "Does that Bitcoin stuff actually work?" She's like, "Is it like real money?" She's like, "You can't even hold it. Like why are you so invested in it?" And I was like, "You have no idea how this works." And I explained to her how I got my house, and she was just in like disbelief that this thing everybody thought like couldn't make much money because you can't hold it, you can't see it, like isn't real or isn't viable. And that, like, to me it's baffling. Like, these people don't think this is some real good money.
Yeah. Yeah. My one of my cousins actually bought his house with Bitcoin as well.
Ooh, that's awesome. How
I know. Last week he sold it all.
when did he buy it?
Oh mate, I think he bought his house a couple of years ago now. So I think he got it on the high. Dumped it all.
Yeah, I got lucky. I just knew some. Oh yeah, it was probably so. And now he's seasoned in.
Yeah. So anyway, this is the thing that I was looking at. So
Oh wow, that's cool.
Evergreen Miner V2. Come these little miner packs. And then you literally just hook up to the app and it starts mining.
Oh, that is awesome.
It comes in all these.
Is there a referral?
Yeah.
Maybe send it to me. I might look into that.
But yeah, I was the only reason why I got into this is because I really wanted to start mining, but I never have time. I don't have time to like set up all this stuff, and
You gotta make time.
and then I saw Voscoin. Do you follow him on YouTube?
You know, I used to, but he's so set up to where it just makes it seem like a small guy can't really get there right off the rip.
Yeah, so he's been messing around with him.
Oh, okay, that's good.
And, yeah, so he's been messing around with the big pack, and then I thought, mate, I'll just try it, and I'll just leave them set up. So, and they're meant to be really good on like electricity and energy and stuff like that. So, and quiet. That's the main point.
What's the coins?
Chia. Connor, get Chia up. Should we do a quick TA on Chia?
Yeah, I want to look at it.
Let's have a look.
Let me see the miner show. Pop up your thing again, so I can find it.
Oh, you want me to pop the miner up again?
Yeah, I want to see what it looks. Is it like CHIA?
Yeah, CHIA. There you go.
Is it? Oh, it's on 3 different chains. I guess let's look at look at the Bitcoin pairing. Ugh. Doesn't matter. Let's see though.
Yeah, don't look at the start of the chart.
Oh, so it's worth not even a penny yet. So how much is it mine?
Oh no, that's
Not the right one?
that is worth. It's about $40. I think you might be on the wrong one.
Oh, okay. Maybe that's the pair. So let's do USDC. That'll be a dollar. Yeah, $38. Okay. Wow, that's good though. The fact that it has dollar signs behind it. How far does it go back? This far? All right, yeah. Let me do some TA real quick. Let me see what I can see here. So
I'll get some little
off the rip, I already see higher lows. So that's really good. Let's put it there. Let's So it needs to possibly retest that line down here at 37 bucks. Right now, $48 is going to be the up head resistance. Like, it needs to actually break that. And if it does break it, oh, there's not much history on this. Wow. Okay. Is it new? Did it just come out?
I think it's about a year.
Okay, maybe that's
Year
why.
or so.
Okay.
I'll double check
The
that.
bottom looks like it was $24.
I've got the all-time low here is 26.
Yeah, that's cool. I mean, it's getting close to there. So I hope it's not one of those things with the miners where like there's a like. So there's where the hype was. Sold out massively. Let me see if I can. I always have trouble with this. About 50% drop. And then it recovered. I mean, nah, this could look good though. This could, if this stays healthy, this could like possibly beat the all-time high. What was it, 52 bucks?
No, I think the all-time high was like 1,000 and
Oh
something.
gosh, no, it's not gonna do that.
But that's like, you know, when a coin first comes out.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, you know what I mean. And then just everyone gets their
Yeah.
profit, don't they?
Dude, I'd love to get more info on that. That's cool. Because I was mining Ethereum on my computer, but then when they went to proof of stake, it doesn't. And now the miner that I use like generates like maybe $3 a month, and it used to be like, at first it was like over $100 a month, and then it just kept casually going down and down.
Yeah, where is this? See if I can find this.
Yeah, it'd be interesting though.
Yeah, the chia pool is like mining pool is actually one of the highest that pay out as well at the moment.
It's funny because that used to be so appealing. Now after like the FTX and Celsius and all that stuff, it's like, all right, so high, but where are you pulling it from? Like I questioned as before, like I don't know why. I was just like, all right, I'm in.
Yeah, and I'm in.
And it's gone.
Right, let me yeah, I'll share this. Chia mining pools.
Yeah, so guys, if you guys
see
are still chilling with us, we're just chilling. Social hour. You know what I said. We do whatever we want. We don't have to talk about Sidekick specifically. We just choose to because it's an awesome project, and we got a bunch of awesome people working behind the scenes to make it all come together.
Here we go.
So,
right, you see here. Okay. So you see here, here's Chia.
Oh wow, it's in the top 16. Oh, is that just pools or like no market caps?
That's a pool.
That's insane.
So market cap is 280 million. It's paying out 359,000. So what you got? Casper.
I've heard of Casper.
Litecoin, Doge, and Bitcoin are the only ones above it.
Yeah, those Bitcoin miners are expensive.
That's the fourth. Yeah, so it's the fourth highest paid. Obviously, you know, Doge and Litecoin, you can kind of put those together. You used to be able to mine Litecoin and get the Doge coins on the side, didn't you?
Oh man, that's funny.
So imagine that, and now it's like Doge is well above. But yeah, man, I think it's going to be alright.
It's a 4-minute block.
Yeah,
so every 4 minutes is it processing a block.
And then I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
I think it is kind of new, so
it's cool. I want to look into that. I've been interested into mining stuff. I got into I think it was nodes. Like I have one right now. It was called Streak. I haven't even looked at it. I've been so busy. But I bought one of those. I think it was like a $5,000 node, and it pays out. The max that node pays out is like 25,000, but it's in a span of 3 years. So it's like 5,000 per year. Yeah, and it's neat. So it pays. So the rate is stable. That doesn't change. What it does though, it pays out in the coin, and then you go and like sell it on a decentralized exchange.
Yeah,
it's pretty neat. So
wow.
Maybe change it up, do something different.
Nice, man.
Yes, sir.
Right. Oh, I've actually got as well. I don't know if I'm allowed to share this. I've got the spot.money website.
Oh.
Ooh, do you think we're allowed to share?
I don't know. That's Yo, Cause, you in here? You over there? Yeah,
You're over
that's
there.
Felly's job. Boy, knows all the intel.
Professor Doc. I don't know. Okay, well, anyway, let's chat a little bit about spot money, right?
Let's run it.
So, to play with spot money, it's a raffle game, and you need to be in drip to be able to participate. So what it is there's 250 NFTs for 4 different tiers, and when the 250 NFTs are sold out in one tier, it will then distribute the funds.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah. So it's something like, I think it's 4% goes to drip burn, 4% to referrals. I actually made their white paper, so one sec. Let me pull that up. I'll be able to tell you.
And when he means like you need to get with drip is that you need to be in the faucet. Like that, I think I heard him say in an AMA that he does the payout straight to the faucet.
I think so, yeah. I think that's what it was.
So I wonder if it pays out as a reward or if it goes into the overall balance.
So all the money that goes in, you got 80. That's the prize. 80% of the prize pool. That gets distributed back to people, or the winners. You got 4% to referrals, 4% to burning drip, and you get 12% to marketing and team.
Okay.
So, yeah, man, if you win, you're winning big. And it's all based on activity on the site as well. So, the quicker these NFTs sell out, the faster you're gonna have winners coming out. So you can have multiple winners every day, I imagine.
Oh yeah, it reminds me of an OG game back on the ETH channel where it's the same concept where you buy keys and the winner gets the earnings distributed. And this is a cool community project because he's not really given. He's also, he's given to the drip ecosystem, and that's awesome. It's awesome to see people want to build more for a project they love.
Yeah.
We might shoot. I think hopefully we could do something like that. Do a little raffle. I really like that idea. There was a game I used to play way back in the day. It was called Pool Network, and it was. I remember when it was advertised. It was advertised the best savings account on the blockchain, and I was like, "How is that possible? How can?" And it would do something similar, and it's pretty neat. You just pool people's money together and earn some money.
Yeah, man.
So.
But yeah, so I think that's kind of us for social hour, really.
Yeah.
We'll see if we can get Ian J Gold on the next one.
Yeah, I'm interested. And then I know you and I were talking about it. Maybe we could start a Sidekick drip team, for anybody here at Social Hour that wants to just experiment and test out what it is. So you're not going into it alone. We'll see.
We need to do our trading as well.
Yeah, maybe a SEAL Team 6 drip team.
No, we need to trade.
I'm waiting for it.
I was thinking that 24 hours trading. I was thinking about it for ages. I was like, maybe. It's maybe 12 hours, and then the day after, I was like, yeah, maybe 6. I was thinking how hard it would be to trade for 24 hours straight.
Yeah, because man, the conditions.
Yeah, need to wait for a pump when it's fun.
But it'll be fun. We can still do it. Maybe wait for special. Either we do a special episode, or we can wait till the next Fed rate, so we know that we're not going against the market, and maybe we can even catch it before it really pops off.
Yeah, 100%. All right, man. Well, should we end that here?
Yeah, that sounds good to me. Everyone hit up the socials, share the links, get these numbers up. I know that we want to give away an NFT. I know I want to give away an NFT from SEAL Team once we get some numbers up. So everyone help us spread the word. We're going to try to get on TikTok as well. We're on Twitter Spaces. We're doing this every Monday, same time. And I'd like to see if we can get some people from different projects to come on and speak about what they're building.
Yeah, definitely. Start getting more people in and get the projects on there. And even if they're past projects, just get them on, see how they're going.
Yep, true.
So, all right, man. Let's leave that here.
Cheers.
See you later, guys.
Peace.
Bye.